Hello and welcome. In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, companies face significant challenges as they strive to optimize their operations and drive efficiency. The demand for real-time insights, seamless integration, and scalable solutions has never been more critical. Industrial companies are under constant pressure to build new intelligent operations and process solutions, such as condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, process optimization, and more. They need to manage vast amounts of data from various sources, ensure timely and accurate decision-making, and maintain a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. However, realizing these objectives is far from straightforward. The complexity of modern industrial operations means that data is often siloed, processes are fragmented, and real-time visibility is lacking. These issues hinder the ability to make informed decisions and optimize operations effectively. Traditional operations management approaches are no longer sufficient. Many businesses still rely heavily on manual, rule-based systems for their operational processes. These outdated methods lead to operational inefficiencies, limited insights, and a competitive disadvantage. The skills shortage further exacerbates these issues, making it clear that sticking with outdated processes is unsustainable. To tackle these challenges, many companies rely on point solutions and specialist consultants to build bespoke systems tailored to specific operational needs. These custom solutions are often designed to address immediate issues, but they come with inherent limitations. One of the primary challenges is the theory of constraints. As these bespoke solutions are developed, they frequently solve one bottleneck, only to reveal a new one requiring additional solutions. Moreover, as new solutions are required, the problem intensifies. Each new system solution is typically built independently and lacks interoperability with existing tools. This creates a complex web of disconnected systems that fail to provide cohesive operational insights. Over time, maintaining and scaling these disparate solutions becomes increasingly challenging and expensive. What is needed is a comprehensive, integrated framework that can seamlessly unify these solutions. It also needs to provide the tools and capabilities for subject matter experts and consultants to build and compose these solutions in a scalable, integrated, and composable way. Introducing XMPro, the world's only AI-powered intelligent business operations suite that enables companies to rapidly compose integrated solutions at scale. XMPro stands out by offering a suite of foundational capabilities that are trustworthy, secure, integrated, interoperable, real-time, and event-driven. These features form the bedrock of our platform, ensuring that your operations are built on a reliable and robust framework. Let's have a look at this use case matrix to illustrate how XMPro empowers companies to grow across three critical dimensions: intelligence, automation, and digital twin scope. The first axis, intelligence, spans from rule-based systems to advanced AI and generative AI. XMPro's AI capabilities bring intelligence to solution building by leveraging machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Our platform supports proactive decision-making, anomaly detection, and predictive maintenance through advanced AI technologies. Now looking at the second axis, automation covers everything from human workflows to event streams and robotic process automation, RPA, culminating in fully autonomous operations. XMPro's automation tools streamline and automate processes, reducing manual intervention and increasing efficiency. Our platform supports event-driven automation and integrates seamlessly with RPA technologies, allowing you to automate routine tasks and focus on strategic initiatives. Finally, the third axis, digital twin scope, ranges from discrete assets to composite assemblies and complex systems of systems. XMPro's digital twin capabilities allow you to create comprehensive digital representations of physical assets and systems, providing unparalleled visibility and control. These digital twins enable real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization, enhancing your ability to manage and optimize operations. Our digital twin technology ensures that every aspect of your operations is visible and controllable in real time. Only XMPro enables companies to advance simultaneously across these three dimensions, providing a flexible and scalable framework that adapts to your evolving needs. This unique capability to grow in intelligence, automation, and scope sets XMPro apart, ensuring that you stay competitive and thrive in a rapidly evolving market. Want to know more? Reach out to the XMPro team, and we will gladly assist you.